Let's ask local how many do Indonesia people speak?
Oh wow, that's a lot. Like I am from West Java, and then I am Sundanese, and then I speak like my local language is Sundanese, and then we have like language, and then I also like with balance. They have their own language which is that I can even speak balance. Like I don't understand balance, and then there are like so many local language guys.
By saying so many language money I guess it means 711 language ways make Indonesian rank number 2 among the top 10 most multilingual. By saying so many language money I guess it means 711 language which makes Indonesian rank number 2 among the top 10 most multilingual countries. But why does Indonesian have so many languages? Well, Indonesia is home to why Indonesia has so many languages. Hundreds of languages, mainly new to its unique geographic and background with over 177,000 island. Many communities developed in isolation is cultivating their own language, additional historical kingdoms and empire the ones rooted different part of Indonesia. In introducing their own language as will based that the strategy of Indonesian on an ancient trade route like the maritime Silk Road also significantly influence its linguistic diversity.
Indonesian ports such as those in the Spice Islands, Maluku, became melting pot of cultural and linguistic exchange. Traders from around the world, including Arab merchants, Chinese sailors, and 5 colonies, brought their language with them. Over time, this foreign language mixed with local dialect, enriching Indonesian linguistic landscape. For example, many Indonesian languages today style include Dutch vocabulary from the colonial period like this. Example, Dutch vocabulary corsleting, canalpot, literally translate words mean bank pot. Now it's pipe or pot, and when the card is in us, it makes a bang sound.
About the Indonesian language family, Indonesian language families are primarily divided into 2 families, Austronesian and non-Austronesian. The Austronesian language like Javanese and Balinese. Some original languages like Sikh and Balinese retain their unique writing system. The scripts are indirect work of art. They are still used today for cultural and religious ceremonies, linking to Indonesia's rich history and heritage, as spoken by millions and having words tracking back to Taiwan. Featuring similar and structural and vocabularies in contrast the North Austronesian language found most in the remote eastern Indonesia like Papua.
Very greatly even within small region. And the linguistic diversity and cultural diversity reaches are deeply integrated into local languages. Adding that, in many cultural expressions, we can see that from Japanese, wayang theater, or Balinese kecak dance, However, imagine if Indonesian member family, but each member spoke a language thing. How will they communicate and unite? After gaining independence from the Netherlands in 1945, Indonesia recognized the need for a uniting new language. The choice was Bahasa Indonesia, a variant of Malay chosen for its neutrality and widespread. Used as a lingua franca throughout the archipelago, Bahasa Indonesia is the key. It's the official very greatly even within small region. And the linguistic diversity and cultural diversity reaches is arguably in very greatly even within small region. And the linguistic diversity and cultural diversity reaches is cultural identity. And this tourism, traditional ceremonies and performance are deeply entrenched with local languages, in-depth and meaning to cultural expressions. We can see that from Japanese wayang, puppet theater, or Balinese kecak dance. However, imagine if Indonesian family, but each member speak a language thing. How would they communicate and unite? After gaining independence from the Netherlands in 1945, Indonesia recognized the need of unifying language. The choice was Bahasa Indonesia, a variant of Malay chosen for its neutrality and widespread. Used as a lingua franca throughout archipelago, Bahasa Indonesia is the key. It's the official for government, school, news, everything. Think of it as the National Translator App. This strategic decision has helped to promote national unity and reduce ethnic tensions. Nowadays, Indonesian is spoken by 94% of population, but it's the range of 20% of the population. Japanese or Java is the most common primary language by over 50% of the population.